This is a Channel 9 breaking news report.
And we continue to follow breaking news this afternoon. Charlotte Mayor Patrick Cannon arrested for alleged violations of public corruption laws. Now we have a copy of the federal complaint just filed in U.S. District Court. Cannon is accused of theft and bribery concerning programs receiving federal funds, services, wire fraud, and extortion under color of official right. The FBI says it received reliable information that Cannon was potentially involved in illegal activities associated with his position as an elected official. An undercover investigation began on or about August 2010. Now, this complaint says that Cannon allegedly solicited and accepted money bribes and things of value from undercover FBI agents who were posing as commercial real estate developers and investors wanting to do business in Charlotte, all in exchange for the use of his official position as mayor, mayor pro tem, and a city council member. The complaint goes on to say that Cannon accepted the bribes from agents on 5 separate occasions, and that the last occasion was February 21st this year. It claims that Cannon allegedly accepted $20,000 in cash in the mayor's office. Now, right now, joining us live on the phone, we have political expert Dr. Michael Bitzer. And Dr. Bitzer, are you there? Can you hear me?
Yes.
First question, can Mayor Cannon continue to legally serve with federal charges pending? Will he be able to fulfill his duties as mayor?
I think this raises a real cloud over his mayoralship. I believe the Republicans are probably already calling for him to step down while these charges are being made and these allegations. But I think this is going to cloud any business that the city attempts to do, and this will be a real hindrance to city business going into the future.
And what are your thoughts on the big projects that he's overseeing? What will happen with those?
I'm just surprised. You know, Charlotte has really had a history of not having the kind of corruption that other major cities have seen, and this is really surprising that something like this occurred, if alleged, in the mayor's office. That's pretty brazen for an official to do something like that.
And I want to go over a few more points from this complaint. It says that Mayor Cannon allegedly accepted from undercover agents over $48,000 in cash, airline tickets, a hotel room, and use of a luxury apartment, all in exchange for the official use of his position. And obviously here some serious charges and very serious fines and possible jail time. Dr. Bitzer, you touched on this a bit a moment ago. Your thoughts on the impact that these charges could have on the city?
Well, I think, certainly, as I said before, Charlotte does not have this history, unlike some other major metropolitan areas. It's unfortunate that it has now had to join the likes of other major cities with public corruption, but certainly this is something that the city will want to move quickly past. The question is, will Mayor Cannon, what will be his next approach? Will he step down? Will he temporarily step aside? Or will he resign his office while he fights these charges? These are all questions we don't know.
And in your professional opinion, like you said, you really haven't seen anything like this develop in our area.
I'm sorry, what?
I said, in your professional opinion, you're saying you've never seen anything like this, politically speaking, coming from our area at all.
Exactly, and I'm just, certainly a lot of people had high hopes for Patrick Cannon. If these allegations, and I repeat, these are allegations having to be proven in a court of law, but if these allegations are right, it may take some time for the city to recoup from that.
All right, Dr. Bitzer, thank you very much for your perspective this afternoon. And again, to recap, Charlotte Mayor Patrick Cannon has been arrested on federal corruption, violation of federal corruption laws, accused of accepting bribes and things of value from undercover agents. An investigation started back in 2010, accusing the mayor of taking $20,000 in cash in the mayor's office as recently as February 21st of this year. We have several crews working on this story right now, and we also have the information and the complaint posted at WSOCTV.com. We're also posting all information on Twitter as well. Continue to stay with us throughout the afternoon and into Eyewitness News at 5.
This has been a Channel 9 breaking news report. We now return to regularly scheduled programming.